Oh, there we go. The cheapest one, but I have stuff to mix on it. So we have the dinner.
Do you have anything?
Yeah, I have the for the noodles.
For what?
From the noodles, I'm gonna show you later. And now we're gonna go for the, I don't know. I don't know what I want. So we can want, because yeah, maybe I'm gonna put Audi on top. It's just sometimes I feel I need sugar and I buy chocolate. And then of course the yeah, with the salsa. And basically ALDIs was the routine top one for dinner maybe. And now let's go to Subway's. It's on the other side, so it's good. And I thought was close, but yeah, I don't know if we're gonna have so much video on the way back, because it's just like drive for 6 hours per day, and we have 2 days to get to Brisbane. So yeah, pretty much gonna be like eat, rest, drive, home. Alright, there we go. We are in Campermate. We're gonna check. It's the north side of Wagga Wagga, and there is the other camp is free, I said before, in Ora Beach. Over there we checked them, looks good, but then we saw this one and it's on down, so it was really easy then to go back to the road. Remember, always check the comments. If they're good, not good, what's the reason why they're not good, when was the last comment, if was from 2017, yeah, try to, or 18. Maybe something happening there and there is not that much people. And then as well, suitable only for self-contained vehicles. But if we look here around, there's a lot of tents and people sleeping on the tent like us. So yeah, that's pretty much depending. I'm pretty sure they put that, and you have to check on the pictures if there is grass to put the tent. Nice, there is no worries because it's a camping free. But if it's there like rocks, or maybe it's only a road, like a resting area, yeah, gonna be tricky to sleep there, excepting if you have a mattress or like a map to put under the mattress. No worries. Well, this is the last days of the road trip. We have to go back to the normal life for a little bit. And yeah, pretty much this, it's like a rest area. It's just on the side of the road, but it's a little bit apart. It's not like straight away like on the side of the road. So yeah, you hear a little bit maybe the noise of the trucks and the stuff. But yeah, what I'm gonna show, it's like basically it's not that much to see. It's just an open space. You have there to raft. Looks like there's a barbecue. Yeah, some tables, the beans. It's pretty much for self-contained vehicles. And there you have the bikes, the bus stop probably for the kids on the school and the stuff. But yeah, basically you have the beans there. On the side you have some grass if you have to put your tent, but look at me, I put on the side and there is no worries. Maybe you can put the the pinks, the stuff, yeah, on the side. But yeah, it's not too bad. The interesting thing from this camping free, it's you have, I'm gonna show you here, it's the it's a waterfall. And yesterday we drive for 7 hours and we said we have to go last day, waterfall, I don't know what, days like that, and we couldn't find it, and we was for drive for 6-7 hours. So yeah, and then we look for a camping free for a stop, and we find two options. The first one was not that far, was not that far away from where we went before, but then if we want to drive to Brisbane was a lot, so we said we have to have a middle point, and we find it, and it's this one basically. And look at that, it's, you have the camping free, the rest area, and you walk less than 30 seconds, less than 1 minute, and you have a gorgeous waterfall. It's magnificent. I'm gonna walk a little bit to show you more closer. Okay, I don't know if I can talk that much because the noise of the water probably. We find a Tarzan here. I'm gonna show the water for me. This is the sacred waterfall. And it's magnificent because it's like beautiful. Let's see, we are near to Gowang, and it's near to the Warrumbungle National Park. There, like I say, you have some rest areas, but this one is like a little bit apart, and you have this magnificent waterfall. Wonderful. All right, and now one picture more, and we have to go because we have to drive for a little bit more today to get to Brisbane. And yeah, pretty much I'm gonna start tomorrow again on the farm, raspberry farm, to do some days more before I go with my mate to Cairns in a motorbike. And yeah, gonna be pretty much different because I'm gonna be in a motorbike. And yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be the same as this road trip. The place is gonna be a little bit different, and I don't know, we don't gonna stop that much in camping free because being on the motorbike it's more tricky, like having the tent, because we don't have that much space and there is two of us. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna stop in hotels, motels or stuff like that. It's not cheaper, but at the end of the day it's what we get, the option, you know. But yeah, gonna be good as well. It's 2 weeks, and after 3 weeks sleeping on the mattress, on the tent, setting up the tent, packing everything. It's like, yeah, it's good to have a rest and sleep in a bed for a while. All right, looks like we have everything ready, almost ready. But there looks like there's a walk here. There's a waterfall, so we're gonna have a small walk and try to see if we can see the waterfall from top, and then I'm gonna back and I'm gonna swim in the, oh Lord, in the waterfall. But yeah, let's see how it's go. We didn't expect this, like we saw the pictures and we say, oh, I don't know. But always when there is a waterfall, the boys are ready. And of course, I'm not doing this with my thongs. I put my shoes on. Yeah, it looks like cool. Oh my god. Okay. Bah, let's go. What can I say? Well, I say in some videos before about, no, but if I don't talk, guys, just look. Woo! Beautiful. Check that. Perfect. I think this is the kind of places where, yeah, I don't know, if you're ending on a road trip like this, and they are in everywhere, so in every place. But yeah, okay, let's go back. Now we're gonna swim. Why not? Why not, Roma? Let's swim. I reckon the water it's cold. As long we are going up back to Brisbane, the temperature is warmer. Like when we was in Kosciuszko National Park, at night was like 3-4 degrees, and we are ending May, starting June. Pretty much right now we are a little bit up on the outback of Sydney, and like in Dodo and the places, those cities, and it's like, how much was it, 10-11 degrees. So yeah, it's not warmer. Actually, my sleeping bag is not ready for this, like even my tent. But yeah, if you have 2 jumpers and if you have 1 or 2 jackets, you put them on. If you have 2 pants, some sockers, you're gonna be fine, bro. You're gonna be fine, mate. But yeah, try to always check in what time of the year you're going. I'm looking for my ankles now. I don't wanna break my ankle the last day of the road trip. But yeah. Woo. Okay. Let's go. Waterfall, here we go. It's the red light. Yeah. Beeping. This time it's not wet, so I'm gonna have an accident here. Alright, how to back. The thing is, it's really shallow, so it's not good for jump or dive, so yeah, never do that. Even if someone tell you, no, it's deep, someone tell me, no, don't be that stupid. Right, shark time.
Oh, no,